I bet it's not news to you when I say that for the past few years, content has been getting worse. Like, content used to make you feel something. People used to create stuff just for fun. But nowadays, with the algorithm being the single thing that separates the creator from getting the followers and the views they always wanted, it only makes sense that everybody is trying to make their videos as addicting as possible. So they are trying to maximize viewer retention and watch time. Because that's how you win the game, right? Right? Well, kind of. If you just want to increase a number on the screen. But most people don't want that. They want to create a brand and actually build a real community of people that follow them. So here's the process you need to know to master content like this, or this. Number 1, message. I think we all know the feeling of spending 30 minutes to watch a video, looking at our time, and realized you wasted 30 minutes doing nothing. And the reason that those particular videos feel empty was because they gave you nothing to think about, nothing to feel. They were missing the message. It could be something as simple as teaching a skill or motivating people to start chasing their goals. You need this because when the viewer finishes the video, they need to feel like it was worth their time. So they're incentivized to click on your next video as well. There's a caveat to this though, which we'll cover on step 3, because you don't want to be one of those creators that have no real fans and people just take the value out of your videos and just leave. But another thing that's more important is making sure that people are actually going to follow along with what you're saying. That's the most basic requirement any video must have. Because the moment the viewer starts to feel confused, they will instantly click off your video. And the best tool that helps you with that, besides scripting, is actually editing. Even though many people say editing cannot fix bad footage, I disagree. Because I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the greatest speaker, but I have the editing skills that I've built over the many years that I've been doing this. And my videos prove that even though you haven't spoken to the camera before, you can get 50,000 views with just the help of editing. So here are all the ways that editing can help you get your message across. It can do these 3 things: emphasize, clarify emotion, and clarify information. If you want to emphasize a sentence or an important moment, you can do one of these 3 things. Cut the music entirely, add a muffling effect to it, add the text on screen to match the words you're saying. These things break the pattern in your viewer's head, so he will be instantly more focused and find it easier to pay attention to what you're saying. Number 2, clarify emotion. This sounds more complicated than it actually is. All you have to do is match the music with the emotion you want your audience to feel. If you have a sad part in your video, add a slower paced music.
But I don't think anybody deserves to feel that level of betrayal ever.
If you have a happy moment, add a more orchestral song to help reinforce the idea in your viewer's mind that, oh, this is a happy moment, this is an important moment for him. Simple things like this will always make the difference when they all add up. Number 3, clarify information. This refers to the part of the video where a graphic would help the viewer understand what you're saying. For example, for a crypto channel, they might need to add charts on the screen so you actually understand what they're talking about. Or a more general example, when you say point 1, point 2, point 3, so the viewer can actually see them on screen and understand much easier what you're saying. Now I'm gonna be honest, this can really take a while to add. I know this because I have been editing videos for 6 years. And even for me right now, editing takes a lot of time because it's actually hard to get it right. And cheap or bad looking animation can really make your video feel unprofessional and just ruin it entirely. That's why I made my own tool for Premiere Pro that contains all the high quality animations that I've made that I can super easily customize, all the sound effects that I'm ever going to need, all the overlays, transitions, backgrounds, basically everything you need to complete an entire video. I've spent months to design these assets that you can use with a simple drag and drop. For example, you have all these text animations that you can use to emphasize stuff on screen and make stuff so much easier to understand. You can actually see it in this short form that I've made just by using Effects Flow. And you can customize everything so it matches your style because they're all customizable with these simple sliders. So it doesn't matter if you're experienced in Premiere Pro or After Effects, you can have premium animations that look like this instantly. So if you want to get it and see the stuff that you can make with it, check the first link in the description below. Now let's go over to number 3. So now you have a good video, you are giving value to your viewer and you're making it easy to understand. But there's a problem. Your viewers aren't actually invested in your content. They just clicked on it, learned something and moved on. So how do you make your videos feel different and make people care about you? 1. Tell the viewer how the very thing you're trying to teach has helped you in your journey, or add parts of your humor to break up the monotone parts of the tutorial. 2. Find your taste. This is the thing that will make your videos feel much different than all the other creators out there and make the people resonate with you more. Think of a certain art style or some certain songs that you like and include those parts of you into your videos. A real basic example of this would be if you like the color yellow. Add yellow text inside your videos. Make the thumbnails a bit more yellow, and these details will instantly make your videos feel unique. And because your content has consistency, when they see yellow graphics they will instantly think of you. Notice how I mentioned consistency. This is a very important step, so we tie everything together. So to make your content consistent, you have to stick to a video style, not changing up every other video, because you want to create a brand where people tune in for every single one of your videos, so they know when they click on that video that you've made that it's very similar to what they watched before from you. If you don't do this, you might get one video style that goes viral, but since all your videos are different, the overall channel wouldn't grow. Of course, you can change the style of your videos sometimes, but just know that some people might get put off by that because they expect some different content from you. You can't just make a video about how AI ruins art and the next one about how to change your winter tires on your car. You need to have consistency in every aspect of your videos, which is why, again, I find Effects Flow so useful. It gives you access to all the fully customizable assets that you can use on every video you make, so you can customize it to your own content, which gives you that consistent branding that we have talked about. All the stuff inside the pack feels super premium and makes your entire content look expansive and trustworthy. I spent so much time designing everything and make sure everything in there is actually stuff that I know every single creator needs. So if you want to unlock everything I mentioned, check the first link down below. But that's everything you need to know. Offer value, make sure your content is easy to understand, and make your videos feel premium with your own branding. I hope this video helped you, and if you love this video, you're gonna love this one where I show exactly how to finish your videos faster and my process of creating these videos. See you there, and thank you for watching. Peace.